Hey, what's up guys? This is Justin from RC Mafia. I just wanted to show you guys my VATERRA project. What I had going on. It's got the new bright 4-door JK hard body on it now. Still has the interior thanks to GCM. Making our little tiny trucks our passion. But I mean, it's still got a little bit of ways to go for what I want to do with it. I put the factory VATERRA receiver box in the back. It's bolted in. Fits perfectly. Looks pretty cool. I need to trim my body mount plate in the back so that way it doesn't bulge out in the rear. But it's got the cantilever shocks on the rear. It's got the front motor mount kit from GCM with the transfer case, and this is how I have my body hooked up right now. Just undo the body clips and then you can carefully lift it up like a funny car. And there you go. If you need to get to anything, I still need to put the rest of my electronics in and run my wiring and make it look nice. But there's the GCM transfer case. Right now it's got a 27 turn axial motor in it. There's a transmission. There's a GCM plate. And I did have to notch the frame out, if you could see that right there, so it would clear the spur gear, but wasn't worried too much about that. And then I opted for the optional drive shaft to go from the transmission to the transfer case, and I'm hoping it'll work out just fine, because I noticed the little pins, the skinnier pins that are there, and on the other side it looks like it was trying to come out or something like that. So I put a little bit of Loctite on there. I don't know if that's gonna actually help it or not, but I might try to get it going tomorrow and go try it out and see how it does. But I haven't really seen anybody post any build pictures or anything like that on how to do the front motor mod on the VATERRA. And mine's already done. I didn't, want to make a boring video, but it was just pretty much a learning experience. And same with the cantilever kit, which I'm still in the process of trying to make exactly how I want it, so I'll keep you guys updated. But for now, that's pretty much it, man. I mean, it's almost ready to go. And it's got decent flex still. The back, I'm still trying to get more flex out of it, but we're having a pretty scale truck that should be rather capable. Hold on, I'm trying to put this clips back in so I can move this around for you guys. Okay. Alright, let's see. Alrighty. Still got some flex. Just wish it had just a little bit more in the back. So I'm gonna be working on that. And the tip point on this thing seems pretty good. I mean, if the foam's will hold up good and everything. I mean, it doesn't. You could about, let's see, right here it still tips this way, but about right there is when it finally starts to roll over. So it might side hill pretty damn good. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out tomorrow and find out. And then of course, you know, you can still run the top on here. You just slide it on, snap it in. There you go. But just thought I'd let you know something I had on this build, and that was made by JMRC. He's really good at making little scale decals and stickers, and they're waterproof and all that. So yep, hopefully I'll be able to get some run videos of this. And I really do like this VATERRA. That's one reason. The steering radius is just ridiculous on these. It's just insane. But alrighty, so I guess I better not wait too long. It's already like 1:18 in the morning, so you probably should go to sleep, try to wake up early and go to the parts store and get some stuff to finish this thing so I can actually run it tomorrow. But alright, well, I'm over and out. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Later.